So, what distinguishes a private jet when price and specs aren't the only things that matter? Bombardier has consistently pushed private aviation forward with aircraft that challenge expectations and deliver standout performance. In this video, we'll explore 5 jets that have set new benchmarks, each for a different reason. From game-changing range to impressive cabin design and luxury features, these jets represent bold moves in aviation. Whether you're an aviation industry enthusiast or simply curious about what makes these aircraft so remarkable, you'll want to see which jet claims the top spot. Stick around because the final entry might surprise you. This is Aviation Federation, sharing with you exciting information about the latest and greatest in aviation and beyond. At number 5 on our list is the Challenger 3500, which proves that reliability and performance can go hand in hand without overcomplicating the experience. Equipped with 2 Honeywell HDF 7350 turbofans, or 7,323 pound force, or 3,321 kilograms forced thrust, it reaches a cruise speed of 553 knots, or 1,024 kilometers per hour, and covers a range of 3,400 nautical miles, or 6,297 kilometers. With a ceiling of 45,000 feet, or 13,716 meters, it offers consistent operation at high altitudes, well above commercial traffic. Accommodating up to 10 passengers, the Challenger 3500 burns 266 gallons per hour, or 1,007 liters per hour, and requires 4,835 feet, or 1,474 meters for takeoff, and 2,364 feet, or 721 meters for landing, making it well-suited for a variety of runways. Its performance is matched by a cabin that focuses on function and simplicity, avoiding distractions in favor of reliability. Operators appreciate its balance between predictable handling and practical mission range. It's a jet built for those who prioritize dependable performance and access to more destinations without unnecessary excess. Marketed at approximately $26.7 million. At number 4, the Challenger 650 continues to be notable for its strength in reliability and mission-ready performance. Powered by twin GE CF34-3B MTO engines with 9,220 pounds of thrust or 4,183 kilograms forced thrust, it reaches a cruise speed of 567 knots or 1,050 kilometers per hour and can travel up to 4,000 nautical miles or 7,408 kilometers. With a ceiling of 41,000 feet or 12,497 meters, it handles long routes with consistent altitude performance across a range of conditions. Designed to carry up to 12 passengers, the Challenger 650 is favored by operators for its mix of power and practicality. It burns 329 gallons per hour, or 1,245 liters per hour, while takeoff and landing distances 5,640 feet, or 1,719 meters, and 2,402 feet, or 732 meters respectively, allow access to both large and mid-sized airports. The aircraft blends reliability with proven systems, making it a dependable option for business or charter missions. Its ability to stay relevant over time speaks to its solid engineering and consistent results. It's a versatile workhorse with a long-standing track record, priced between $18.5 million and $25 million. Claiming the 3rd spot on our list, the Global 6500 brings long-distance performance and precision engineering together with a jet built for serious travel. It's powered by two Rolls-Royce Pearl engines, or 15,125 pound force, or 6,860 kilograms force thrust, reaching a cruise speed of 560 knots, or 956 kilometers per hour, and a maximum range of 6,600 nautical miles, or 12,223 kilometers. With a ceiling of 51,000 feet, or 15,545 meters, the aircraft operates above commercial traffic, offering clear airspace for optimal routing on extended journeys. The Global 6500 seats up to 17 passengers and is designed for non-stop intercity routes that demand both speed and stamina. Fuel consumption is measured at 509 gallons per hour, or 1,926 liters per hour, while takeoff and landing distances are 6,370 feet, or 1,942 meters, and 2,236 feet, or 681 meters, respectively. These figures place it among Bombardier's most capable long-range performers. Its combination of power, payload, and endurance has made it a go-to for operators needing flexibility without compromise. The aircraft delivers high-level results for those who expect more from their airborne experience, priced at $37 million. Coming in second in this lineup, the Global 7500 typifies Bombardier's flagship jet for those who demand range and speed in one package. It's powered by two GE Passport engines, or 18,920 pound force, or 8,582 kilogram force thrust, achieving a cruise speed of 617 knots, or 1,143 kilometers per hour, and an impressive range of 7,700 nautical miles, or 14,260 kilometers. With a ceiling of 51,000 feet, or 15,545 meters, it offers non-stop travel over some of the longest routes in private aviation. The Global 7500 accommodates up to 19 passengers, giving it the highest seating capacity among Bombardier's current fleet. Despite its range and size, it burns 460 gallons per hour, or 1,741 liters per hour, and requires 5,800 feet, or 1,756 meters for takeoff, and 2,520 feet, or 682 meters for landing. It's built for serious global travel, offering long-haul reach without sacrificing performance on shorter runways. Designed with mission versatility in mind, this aircraft has become a preferred choice for both private owners and fleet operators. It delivers extended range and space in a single airframe, currently priced at $75 million. We're just about to reveal the #1 pick in our countdown. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more high-altitude content, and share this video with fellow aviation fans or future jet owners. Got a favorite aircraft or a hot take on these rankings? Drop it in the comments because the top picks from the discussions might get featured. Also, be sure to visit the Posts tab on our channel to vote in our weekly polls. Your choice could influence what we cover next. Leading the pack as our top pick, the Global 8000 pushes the limits of what a private jet can achieve in terms of speed, range, and overall performance. Powered by two General Electric Passport engines, or 18,920 pound force, or 8,582 kilograms force each, it reaches a maximum cruise speed of 627 knots, or 1,151 kilometers per hour, making it one of the fastest business jets in operation. With a range of 8,000 nautical miles, or 14,816 kilometers, and a ceiling of 51,000 feet, or 15,545 meters, it's built for non-stop intercontinental missions with fewer compromises. The Global 8000 carries up to 19 passengers and is engineered for endurance. It burns 470 gallons per hour or 1,780 liters per hour, offering impressive reach while maintaining strong fuel performance for its class. Its takeoff distance of 5,760 feet or 1,756 meters and landing distance of 2,237 feet or 682 meters allow for access to airports beyond just the major hubs. This jet is designed for those who value range and performance above all, and who need an aircraft that can consistently deliver on the world stage. It earns its place at the top with unmatched numbers and flight potential, and the current market price is at $85 million. From the versatile Challenger series to the record-breaking Global series, Bombardier continues to shape private aviation with aircraft built for purpose and performance. These top 5 jets each offer something unique, whether it's mission flexibility, high passenger capacity, or world-spanning reach. Which one would you choose to fly? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss future content on the world's most impressive aircraft. More reviews, rankings, and aviation insights are just around the corner. Until next time, fly safe!